Hi everybody, I hope you're having a good day. We're going to do a little unboxing, super tiny, from Foxblood. I've been waiting for a minute for this. I kept getting like the shipping notifications, but they kept saying delayed, delayed, delayed. It finally got here. But TikTok Shop said that I signed for this. I absolutely did not sign for it, so I don't know who did sign for it, but it wasn't me. So today is my Saturday. I know it's everybody else's Monday, but for me, this is a happy day because it's Saturday. All right. There we go. So they put everything together, which is good. So this is my first item. This is the signature buckle belt. Sorry for the packaging. Does this bug anybody else? Like, I find this film that they put over things to preserve the metal to be so annoying. I can never get it off. Okay, so this is, nothing exciting. It's just a belt, but I really like the big buckle. And I gotta be honest, Shelloween influenced me. If you haven't followed Shelloween, you need to find her because she is amazing. That's so cute. So that'll be a good staple. Ooh, well, this barely fits me. So, like I said, I got this in a, here we go, in a small, extra small, and my waist is 26 inches. So this definitely is a barely fit. But thankfully, because it's like a synthetic, I could punch another hole because I definitely have a hole punch in it, but I am right there. So if your waist is smaller than mine, if your waist is smaller than 26 inches, this will not fit because it is on the last hole. At least it won't fit without modifying it and like stamping another hole into it, which is fine. I can do that. I'm willing to make it work. So to be honest, this entire haul is totally influenced by Shelloween. So I'd wanted this for a while. This is a caftan. And I did get this in a very large size for me. This is actually an extra large to 2XL. And the reason I got it so big is I just really wanted extra fabric so that I could do some draping. Just taking the little tag off here. And I saw Shelly wearing this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute as a layering piece. So I don't know, I lost my way. Okay, that's an armhole. That's a head hole. Okay. All right. We got it. We got it, peoples. I love it. So cute layering piece. I like it. I do kind of wish it didn't have the seam down the middle. Hey, Spooky Megs. I hope you're having a good day. So I had not considered these boots until Shelly influenced me. I am blaming my shopping addiction on Shelly tonight. So, Shelly, thank you. Ooh. So I had not originally really considered these, but when I saw Shelly had them, I just really enjoyed um, the shiny and the matte checkerboard. I thought was really cute. Rounded toe, nice tread, chunky heel. This would be good for somebody that enjoys stumpy boots. So if you like stumpy boots, these could be for you. So I find in Foxblood, if the boots have round toe, I can size down, but if it has a pointy toe, I have to size up. So one of my feet is an 8 and one's an 8.5. I got these in an 8 because I found that typically I can do that in boots. So we will see. Let's get all of this off. Cheeky monster, how's my girl doing today? I hope you're having a good day. Oh, so many little desiccants, which I guess is a good thing because I definitely do not want mold in my boots. All right, let's find these. Get that off here. All right, so it's got a zipper pull with a ring, in this case in the back. It does have an elastic, but I have super skinny legs. I have really, really skinny legs. So typically elastic and things like that that are meant to be more friendly to girls with wide calves actually are unnecessary on me. So like I said, I got these in an 8. Boom, totally cool. I like them. They're awesome. And it would be unnecessary for me to get a 9 in these, absolutely. But to be honest, I went on the Foxblood Live this evening and totally bought a bunch of dresses. I gotta stop. I gotta stop going on to their lives. Have you been on their lives? Their lives are great. More little desiccants. So I'm 5'6", but with these, I will probably be 5'9". They are so cute. Boom. All right. Let's show those. Super cute. I like them. They're the best. They're the best. So I love Foxblood stuff. I go on their lives. I go crazy. I try not to, but it's going to happen. So probably the next 2 unboxings I have are also going to be Foxblood because my collection is ever growing. I hope you guys are having a good day. Hi, Jen.